Yeah, people, so bound to kill at the Rodney Price. Mr. Jamaica. I make a no straightforward. Telling all these young artists, it not be so technical. Yeah, people, and this is what Buju Banton has to say about music in this day and age.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people, so you don't know, say boy Grizzly Bear out there with another one. See? So I want you to tell me if you agree with Bounty Killer Rodney Price. Zine, yeah, because the artist, the superstar, international superstar, mentioned a whole heap, a lot of important factors to the music and prior to the music industry today, prior to where he's coming from within the music. The man does address some points right now and I make the youth them know. Say, listen, when you observe Afrobeats and you observe the wider diaspora of music, most of the youth them not go as hard as how the youth them in our culture, dancehall music go hard. Zin, the man them I make it so technical. So listen to the point of views of Bounty Killer.
Can relate to that in every nation and every country. How far that goes. Fool. People is a sing for around the road. So that's why Afro have topic. Afro don't even have lyrics. Afro beat don't even have no lyrics. They have a lot of melody, groove, and topic.
Mr. Jamaica. So yeah, people. So Bounty Killer make you know say Burna Boy them sing with a lot of melody. Zine, a lot of melody. But topic is the key. Topic. You know what I mean? He mentioned, yeah. Big song. Big song. Big song. Yeah? Round the world. And Bounty Killer mentioned Look Into My Eyes. You know what I mean? One of his songs comparison to. Yeah. And he's just showing us a topic is something we outdo technicality. You know what I mean? You have a topic, you sing about the topic, you DJ about the topic. You know what I mean? I make it simply technical. You see me I say? So it's simple, easy to catch. You know what I mean? You don't know Bounty Killer, Rodney Price, Mr. Jamaica stay already. Them man I make you know raw, point blank. You know what I mean? Them man they not go round no corner, not go round no bend. Them man that make you know straight. Look for the man expression. You see how the man express himself? Eh? Yeah, man, the man in a ramp with people, the man make a note straight. So yeah, make the thing difficult. People want music for release them stress and them. You know what I mean? No something for apply more stress. Look how the man express himself. All he is, you know what I mean? You have fight for understand the bag of metaphorical energies. I'm not saying, you can't add these things to create diversity. Remember, technically simple. Technically, not technically technical. You see me I say? So you can use these things, but don't overdo it. Less is always more. So people, if you agree, if you disagree, let's have a dialogue. Let's talk. See comment section right there. So yeah man, me will reply. Me will definitely communicate with you. Yes, so for the first time I hear the voice, I don't know if your boy Grizzly Bear, Bear Voice, Bear Fun, Bear Things, must be Bear Facts, alright, Just hit that notification bell there. Yeah, so anytime I upload nothing, instantaneously you get it right away. You see me I say? You get notified instantaneously. We have a $50 something I go on to, Not $50 Jamaican, $50 USD. Yeah? Merch and credit and all kind of niceness and all kind of something for August. Yeah. And I talk about the whole entire August. Yeah? Subscribe to the channel. Check the description. Because I think I write this there. I never think. I know I write this the information there. Then forget to this $50 USD. And when WhatsApp something I go on. So I want to get involved with that something, Yeah, man, I want to get involved. So if you agree with what Rodney Price, Mr. Jamaica, Bounty the Killer say, yeah, let me know. So Buju Banton, the people them know say right now, it no look like him can't get in touch with his music anymore. Yes, so we have a clip right here, so look.
Younger people express themselves, we get more sexualized, we get more slangy. Reggae music is where we speak to the soul. You know, reggae music is what our ancestors and our forefathers left with us to keep us close to the connection to God, because this music wasn't given to us by man. This music was a divine music sent to an island of 144 square miles with a population at that time of nearly 1.45 million people. But their struggles and their tenacity to withstand these struggles was so much so that the Father himself saw it fitting for them to be blessed with a music of their own, to express their ideas and ideology and their pain and their praises. And so reggae music was born by the great stalwarts. First we had Count Machuki, and then we have King Stitch, Big U, the U-Roy, the I-Roy, we have the Bob Marley, we have the Peter Tosh, we have the Burning Spears. And we have countless other groups, the Scatterlights, the Heptones, the Techniques. We had many great stalwarts who came along, who understood the assignment.
So, imagine you as an artist, right? Coming from a place where you have a cassette where you put in a radio. And when you press play, you can hear yourself. And so I say, yeah. We're in you reach a point right now where your music is in the clouds. A lot of people don't understand or overstand what the cloud is. Zin, and a lot of people don't want to get with it. The majority of the world right now have to move with it and I move with the cloud. So if you're not subscribed, you don't have access to nothing. So your phone, you know, one touch. You see what I say? So, Buju, Banton, you know, destiny. Mama look from when you're calling. Circumstances make me what I am. You know what I mean? So, the Gargamel, I make you know, he might give you a little story. You know what I mean? Down memory lane and forward up at one place and look over the fence. I remember when him could have just play music till them jump from that something and go CD, which is a flat shine something where, you know, say, if you scratch up the music gone, you have to get a next one and a next one. So the artist says, he have to constantly invest in himself and buy back his own music. You pray? Every time the CD scratch up, he have to buy it back, you know. Anytime the cassette bust or nothing, he have to buy back the cassette. You see me and say I try to remake it. So when you check it out, your own music you have to pay for it. So in this day and age, we are in everything up in the cloud. If you are not subscribed, you have to pay for subscription in this day and age. Right? Remember, you know, the phone knows say the phone belong to whosoever name Gmail account is appointed to the phone. But the phone is not smart enough to know say the man who are subscribed or who are try get to the music are him or the artist. So Buju make you know say listen them trick him. And if him alone, all of it. Every artist who sing music, right? You don't have an archive of your own music. All of your music up in the clouds. If you should sit down and get all of your music and download them, right? Have them on a terabyte or have some form of memory system where you set up in your place. You know the amount of memory and how much storage you'd have to have? A man like all Buju. So what I say? So, he must have to pay every time for his own music, and it's not a good look at all. It's not a good look at all. So, people, you have to take on the music world in this day and age. Just know so you have to set everything properly, because the music will go up in the clouds.